Welcome to my channel, Notorious Crafts. In this video, I'll be making some miniature cards and using this miniature wax seal kit. Here are the supplies that I used. I have this miniature wax seal set, a heart-shaped hole punch, and some colorful construction paper. I'll also put links down below if the products are still available or if not, something similar. This wax kit comes with so many different miniature wax seal items. There are also these miniature candles which actually burn. Sadly, the glass jar came completely smashed and into a whole bunch of pieces, but everything else looks like it came intact. There are 4 different kinds of stamps. There's a little tiny paw print, a flower, and some other designs. It also came with a stack of mini envelopes, a little metal spoon to melt the wax in. I'm going to make the miniature cards out of some colorful construction paper, and I'm going to grab my heart-shaped hole punch. I'm going to use the colors purple and pink. I think that they would make really great miniature Valentine's Day cards. I'm using a really thin pen to write a cute little message on the card. For the first one, I'm just going to write a message of I love you on it. On the second card, I'm going to write Happy Valentine's Day. These really thin pens are great for writing really small messages on my miniatures. The wax seal kit came with a whole bunch of different colorful envelopes, so I chose the red one since I thought it'd be really cute for Valentine's Day, and I put one of the purple heart cards inside of it. Here's a close-up of the 4 different kinds of stamps that came in this set. The kit also came with many different colors of wax, but for this card that I'm making, I'm going to use purple since I think it'll look really nice against the red and it'll match the purple card. I have the candle and stand set up, and now I'm just going to light the miniature candle. I think this is the most smallest candle I have ever seen. I'm being really careful with this since this is real fire, and I'm going to place the spoon with the wax some height above it so that it doesn't end up burning. I noticed that the wax is melting very quickly, so I won't have to hold it over the fire for too long. This miniature spoon also has a pointed tip, which is going to make it really easy to pour out. I decided to pour out the wax directly onto one of the miniature tiles instead of directly onto the envelope, since pouring it directly on the envelope might make it slightly uneven and I wanted it to be completely flat. While the wax is still hot, I placed the stamp directly on top of it and then left it there to dry and to cool off. And then once it is cooled off, I'll remove the stamp from it. I let it cool for about a few minutes just to be safe, and now it is ready to take the stamp off. And here's how the design turned out. I'm really amazed how it was able to capture all the smallest details. To take it off the tile, I can easily remove it with my fingernail. I'm going to place it on top of the envelope. This one I'll probably have to glue on, but for the next envelope, I'll probably just have to pour the wax directly on top of it so I won't have to use glue. These miniature Valentine's Day cards and envelope turned out so cute. I am really impressed with this miniature wax seal kit. I have actually never used a wax seals before, so I think I might end up trying some larger ones, but really impressed with the mini kit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.